Landscaping is a great way to enhance the beauty of your residential or commercial property. However, creating an aesthetically pleasing landscape is not an easy task. It requires extensive planning, designing, and implementation to achieve the desired results. The last thing you want is to make a plan only to realize that it won't work with the types of trees and shrubs that are to be installed. That's why it's essential to partner with arborists for successful landscape remodeling and installation. By starting off with a strong partnership, you will avoid having to rework plans later on. In this video, we'll explore the concerns that an arborist addresses during the landscape remodeling and installation process. Why landscape remodelers bring in an arborist? When it comes to landscaping, specialized skills and expertise are required. Landscape remodelers come up with an idea and a design to create an ideal landscape, while arborists come in to address the health and growth of trees on the property. Tree growth and health are vital aspects of landscaping, and as such, arborists play a crucial role in the process. From the selection process to planting and ongoing maintenance, our certified arborists can assist with every step of the process. Selection. Plant selection. One of the biggest concerns that arborists can help to address during the landscape remodeling process is plant selection. Arborists can help to determine which plants are best suited to a particular space. They consider a variety of factors, including the function of the space, the desired appearance, and the climate. Arborists will also be able to choose native plants that are suited to the area, which means less maintenance and problems. Selection of healthy nursery stock. Arborists can also help to ensure that only healthy nursery stock is selected, avoiding trees with girdling roots, diseases, or insect infestations, and those with poor branch structure. They can also help to determine whether bare root, balled and burlapped, or container-grown specimens are most suitable. Selection of an appropriate planting site. Arborists can also assist with choosing an appropriate planting site. This involves considering the size of the tree or shrub when mature, as well as anticipating any potential complications. For example, if a tree is susceptible to insects that produce honeydew, it should not be planted over driveways or outdoor entertainment areas. Consider viability. Finally, arborists help to ensure the viability of the plants that are being selected and planted. This includes considering factors such as drainage, soil type, and nearby species. Arborists are familiar with allelopathic species, as well as species that share pathogens. For example, an arborist would know not to plant a cedar tree nearby a crabapple, as they will likely both get cedar apple rust. Proper planting. Proper planting can be the difference between a healthy, thriving tree and a stunted, feeble tree. It involves not planting too deeply or too shallowly and not overmulching. Correct timing for planting can depend on other factors such as the type of plant and the climate. However, the dormant season is generally the best time to plant trees and shrubs. An arborist can ensure that the planting is done correctly so that the plants can establish strong roots and thrive in their new environment. Maintenance after plants are installed. After the plants are installed, an arborist can help with the maintenance of the landscape. A canopy protection program can be put in place to monitor for common insect pests and diseases, as young plants are more susceptible. They can monitor for transplant shock, drought stress, and other stressors to ensure the investment in the new landscape is protected. Structural pruning in the first few years can establish a good branch structure and eliminate codominant stems. An arborist can also provide maintenance services such as fertilization and watering to ensure that the plants remain healthy and thriving. How to choose the right arborist for your landscaping project. Choosing the right arborist for your project is crucial to the success of your landscape design. When choosing an arborist, make sure to check their credentials and experience. Look for an arborist with certification from the International Society of Arboriculture. Artec's partnership with landscaping professionals. At Artec, we understand the importance of partnering with landscaping professionals to ensure the success of landscape remodeling and installation projects. We offer a range of services including tree and shrub care, plant health care, and insect and disease monitoring, among others, to help your projects thrive. Our team of qualified arborists and technicians can work with you to create a customized plan to meet your specific needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you want more content like this.